We're going to troubleshoot why your PyInstaller build isn't creating an .exe file in the Dist folder. This is a common problem and usually stems from a few key issues. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Incorrect command. The most frequent cause is a simple typo or an incorrect command used to run PyInstaller. Double-check your command. It should look something like this. PyInstaller, one file your script name.py. Make absolutely sure the script name is correct and that you're in the correct directory containing your Python script. Note the to1file flag. This creates a single executable. If you omit it, it will create a folder with your executable and various support files. 2. Path issues. Windows sometimes has problems with long file paths or paths containing spaces. Try moving your project to a shorter path, like C/PyProject's My Project, instead of a very long, nested path. Similarly, ensure your script doesn't have spaces in its name, e.g., use MyScriptPy instead of MyScriptPy. 3. Missing dependencies. PyInstaller needs to know about all the libraries your script uses. If your script uses external modules, like requests, NumPy, or Pygame, PyInstaller might not automatically find them. You might need to specify them using the hidden import option. For instance, if your script uses the requests library, add hidden import requests to your command. You may need to do some detective work to find out all missing dependencies. Try running your script with the /v flag, e.g., PyInstaller v one file your script name.py to get verbose output. This detailed output might pinpoint missing imports or other issues. 4. Incorrect PyInstaller installation. Make sure you've correctly installed PyInstaller. The installation process might vary slightly depending on your operating system and Python version. Use your package manager, pp, to install it. Pip install PyInstaller. Verify your installation by typing PyInstaller version in your terminal. 5. Antivirus interference. In some cases, your antivirus software might be interfering with the PyInstaller build process. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus and running the command again. If this resolves the problem, you might need to configure your antivirus to allow PyInstaller to run. 6. Insufficient permissions. If you're running PyInstaller without administrator privileges, it might not be able to write files to the Dist folder. Try running your command prompt or terminal as administrator. 7. Python version. Compatibility. Ensure that your PyInstaller version is compatible with the Python version you are using. If you're unsure, use the latest PyInstaller version, making sure to install it into the same Python environment where your script resides. Remember to always carefully check error messages. These usually contain valuable clues about what went wrong. After addressing these points, try rebuilding your project using PyInstaller. If you're still having issues, provide the exact error message you're seeing, your operating system, your Python version, and the contents of your spec file, if you're using a more advanced setup. This will help to pinpoint a more specific solution.